Emerging technologies that will change the world. Unavoidably for us, technology is advancing quickly, bringing us new discoveries and groundbreaking ideas every year. Some of the brightest minds working today are developing the next piece of technology that will fundamentally alter how we live. Although it sometimes seems that science is advancing steadily, over the past 50 years, technology has advanced significantly. Would you like to be in the know beforehand? Then come with me as we explore some emerging technologies that will change the world. 1. Sand batteries. Sand can now function as a massive battery thanks to the work of some Finnish experts. These engineers filled a 4 by 7 meter steel container with 100 tons of sand. After that, wind and sun energy were used to warm up all of the sand. A neighborhood energy provider can then disperse this heat to warm up surrounding buildings. In this manner, energy can be long-term stored. This entire process is made possible by a theory called resistive heating. Here, the friction of electrical currents heats the substance. 2. Clothes that can hear. Giving garments ears, or at least the same functionality as an ear, is one intriguing functionality being introduced into wearables. MIT researchers have developed a fabric that can pick up heartbeats, hand claps, and even extremely faint sounds. The group proposed that this could be woven into fishnets to listen for fish sounds, used in buildings to identify fractures or stretches, or even utilized as wearable technology for the blind. The current material is thick and in progress, but they intend to release it for consumer use over the following few years. Before we proceed, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. 3. Direct Air Capture DAC. One of the most effective techniques to lower atmospheric CO2 levels has remained planting trees, photosynthesis. A new technology that takes less space and absorbs carbon dioxide at higher rates than trees have been discovered. DAC is the name of this technology. It entails removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and either storing it in underground geological caves or combining it with hydrogen to create synthetic fuels. This technology has a lot of potential, but currently is facing difficulties. DAC facilities are presently operational, however the running costs of the current models are very high. DAC could eventually be effective if energy levels can be decreased in the future. 4. Self-healing living concrete. By combining sand, gel, and bacteria, scientists have created what they call living concrete. According to researchers, this building material is more environmentally friendly than concrete, which is the second most consumed substance on Earth after water, and has structural load-bearing capabilities as well as the ability to self-heal. The University of Colorado Boulder team thinks their study lays the door for the development of future buildings that may repair their own cracks, suck up harmful chemicals from the air, or even light on command. 5. Living robots. One day, tiny hybrid robots produced from frog embryonic stem cells might be deployed to collect microplastics from the oceans or swim around human bodies to specific locations that need medical attention. Joshua Bongard, a computer scientist and robotics specialist at the University of Vermont, who co-developed the millimeter-wide bots known as xenobots, stated of them, "These are innovative living machines. They are neither a conventional robot nor a recognized animal species. It belongs to a new category of artifacts, a programmable living organism." 6. Drowned forest fires in sound. Drones that emit loud noises at the trees below could one day put out forest fires. Sound can be used to disrupt the air around a fire, effectively cutting off the oxygen supply to the fuel, since sound is composed of pressure waves. As recently proved by researchers at George Mason University in Virginia using their sonic extinguisher, the fire simply goes out at the proper frequency. Evidently, bass frequencies are more effective. 7. Energy storing bricks. A process has been discovered by researchers at Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri, US, that can transform ordinary bricks into smart bricks that can store energy like batteries. The scientists assert that walls made of these bricks may store a large quantity of energy and can be recharged hundreds of thousands of times within an hour, despite the fact that the research is still in the proof of concept stage. Red bricks were developed into what is called supercapacitors. This involves covering test bricks with a conducting material called PEDOT, which then permeated the porous structure of the burnt bricks to transform them into energy storage electrodes. 8. Hydrogen planes. Plans for a hydrogen-powered aircraft were revealed as part of a £15 million UK initiative. The Aerospace Technology Institute is in charge of this project, known as Fly Zero, which is being coordinated with the UK government. The team has developed a design for an aircraft that is entirely propelled by liquid nitrogen. It would be able to travel non-stop halfway around the globe with a capacity of about 279 passengers. The future is approaching faster than you would imagine. These new technologies will alter the way we live, care for our bodies, and assist us in preventing a global catastrophe. Do you feel otherwise? Enlighten us in the comments section.